Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded on here. I wanted to just share something small in order to be consistent. So today we are going to be looking at this data set called real-time anomaly detection in CCTV surveillance. Now, this is my first time dealing with video data sets, and to make my life simple, I decided that I'm going to treat this as a binary classification problem. So you can see that we have a lot of folders or a lot of categories, but um, if we simply put every other category that is not normal and as puts it in the buckets of anomalous, then we can just train our model to detect whether a video is normal or anomalous. So that was the plan, and I've actually done some training, but then later I decided that okay, what happens if I inspect the data? What do I expect to find? Because my main issue was the training took very long, and I was figuring out ways to make that shorter. Um, Now dealing with videos, I wanted to look into the frames per second and the duration, and I was hoping that if I can reduce the duration of the video, then maybe I can reduce the training time. Because if you actually think about it, some videos, for example, um, explosion or something could have like a before and after, and when I say before and after, I mean kind of like a time when nothing was really happening, and then all of a sudden something happens. And I can't look through all the videos by myself because that whole defeats the whole purpose of using a deep learning model. Okay, this doesn't fit that. Um, but yeah, so let me just show you what I found by inspecting the videos. So when I put all the videos into two buckets, that's normal and anomalous, I get 950, 950 each. And I don't know if that's a coincidence or whatever. So I decided to inspect the frames, run this, and when I display the frames for normal videos and then for anomalous videos, I just wanted to pick something random and display them. So this is what I was saying. So for normal videos, we kind of have a lot of the same thing. So if you pick frame 368, frame 552, there's nothing really happening, right? But that's the main point. Like the model should know that nothing happening means that this video is normal. But at the same time, because we want to reduce training time, maybe we might be able to remove like frames from the video. That's the whole idea I had in my mind. I think I need to do more research into that. Um, so that made me think a lot about duration, and then I decided to inspect the duration of the video, um, and it was interesting to find that normal videos had longer duration. That is for this particular data set. um, let's let's wait a bit. So at least thinking about, being curious about how I could reduce the time made me inspect the data set, and in turn I realized that we have a video that's 32,550 seconds long, right? That's too long. And although it might be useful to the model, I mean, come on. So you realize that normal videos tend to be longer than anomalous videos. And the interesting thing is that although the initially when you see this, you think that, oh, the data set is balanced, right? But when you see something like this, you have to think twice. Like, okay, the data sets we have 950, 950, but then normal videos tend to be very long. So if you have a video which is an hour long and you have another video which is 30 seconds long, obviously the model is going to, from my point of view, I feel like the model is going to learn more about the the normal one, right? So the good thing was that, okay, then I'll just reduce remove, so those to me could be outliers, and so I decided to remove any video that had a duration greater than 10,000 seconds. And I've not tried training with or without. I want to experiment on that, and maybe the cutoff point would be 5,000, and I train both of them, and then I train another model which has all the normal videos inside, and that would be what I would, you know, show for my next video. um I want to keep recording and keep sharing what I find, because this is also a learning experience for me, and I hope to stay consistent. So this will be a part series. I'll record more videos for this particular data set, and it will be very short, very straight to the point. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to hear your thoughts on it, because this is my first time dealing with videos and deep learning models. So if you have better techniques, please let me know in the comments as well.